Kaizen here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how I blew my funded account today, both of them. I blew both of my funded accounts today, and I'm just going to go over what went wrong and how I blew it. But anyways, basically what happened was I didn't trust my intuition for some reason, and it kind of costed me. So I marked up the previous daily high and previous daily low, as you can see right here. This was the daily low from yesterday. This was the daily high, right? And at market open, I got in for a buy hoping that it would sweep these highs up here. I was hoping it would sweep these highs up here because I don't know exactly what, I think, okay, this is what happened. My bias were for sales. Why? Because we had this huge gap yesterday when we had bullish movement up, right? So I was thinking, okay, we're gonna sell off today. I just don't know when exactly, right? But when I was trading, if I could reset the chart at market open, which is why I keep saying I don't know why I keep making the same dumb mistake trading at market open. But anyways, I saw we came down here, right, at market open. So I assumed we were going to sell off right away. Why? Because this previous daily high had already been swept um, up here in this area, and then we swept it again here again. So I was assuming that okay, there's probably no need to sweep the daily high again, previous daily high again. So once this candle started selling off, I got in for a sell, and I got in sort of towards the end of this week here, and it ended up going back on me. So I was down like 400 because I kind of scaled in early because I thought we was gonna have a huge sell off. So I'm down 400, and I'm like, okay. So what's probably gonna happen is we're going to. I ended up getting a buy here somewhere, and I was like, okay, we're gonna push up into these highs here, and then sell off because we had news at 9 a.m., 8:45 a.m. and 9 a.m. Right? So I was in profit, or not in profit. I was basically at break even when the candle got here. But the problem was I didn't take profit, meaning like I should have scaled out the trade or flattened all my trades. But the fact that I didn't actually costed me. So now it went up here, it started rejecting, and I'm looking at the time and I'm like, okay, it's 8:58. So I've already known I messed up because I should have taken my profit and then just gotten to break even, right? So that happened, and the main problem with this trade was me going against my intuition and also trying to hold too long because like I said, I was hoping it swept up here before we sell off because I knew news was at 9 a.m. So since it went against me, I kind of got out for like break even because my stop loss was moved at break even. So now I'm still down and probably down what 600 at this moment in time, probably more or whatever. I don't even remember. So then the next candle opens up. So I close it early. I wait 5 minutes before the 9 a.m. candle opens, and the 9 a.m. candle shoots down here. Now, good thing is I wasn't in a trade, right? But I kept entering the sell here, and since we are ranging, the price was kind of moving back and forth. So I entered the sell here, and I kept getting stopped out because I was hoping that it would sell off quickly. Like I said, I don't like slow moving markets, and every time NQ ranges, it's slow moving in a sense. So I was like literally, let me mark it up. I was literally right here, and the market kept going against me over and over and over again. So I was like, okay, I don't know if we're going to continue ranging or we're going to break out of this, right? So now, since it keeps going against me, I'm kind of trying to protect my account. So I'm closing the trade early in the loss, and it was like those little small cuts where $100 here. $75 here or whatever. So I'm getting cut with small cuts because we're in the range lately, right? And we're not breaking this low here. And then what happens is my last trade before I kind of blew both of the accounts. I got in right here for a sale. Market shoots up to this area where this wick ends, and I get stopped out. And that was it. And then the other thing that kind of messed me up is on my Top Step account, I didn't have this marked up as the previous daily high, right? For some reason, I didn't have it on my Top Step account. I had it on my TradingView account, but I wasn't looking at I didn't have TradingView on my other screen. So if I had known that, okay, this area was the previous daily high, because I had a white line on my screen, but I had forgot what it was. It didn't have the PDH text. But had I known that this was the previous daily high, once it came up here, I would have got out or I would have moved my stop loss into profit. But I was assuming, okay, we did cross the high somewhere, but I was assuming it would pass this, and that's what I get for assuming. But overall, my analysis was right. Number one, I thought it would sell off. I got out. I got in somewhere in here. We had bullish movement, so I got stopped out. Stopped out. It came up, swept the previous daily high, which I didn't take account for, and because I had already thought we swept it multiple times, so I wasn't worried about it, and we just ended up selling off. So my analysis was right. My execution was wrong because I know for a fact we weren't finna push up here all the way up here after having this huge bullish movement. So just a mistake on my end, something I need to journal and fix, which I'll probably do right now actually. But just wanted to make a video on this because a lot of people who trade on YouTube, they're not going to show you them losing or blowing accounts. They're just going to show them always having wins or whatever. But the good news is I'm not really worried about me losing or blowing my accounts is because I know exactly why I blew my accounts. Most people don't know why they blow their account, and then they just gamble and buy another 5 combines, pass it, and then gamble right away when they get to fund it, if they get to fund it, right? But I know I'm proud of myself because I know why I lost the trade. I know the mistakes I made, and I'm about to journal it. So anytime those same scenarios come up, I can always go look at my journal and be like, hey, this scenario happened before. This is what we want to avoid, if you get what I'm saying. But that's it for the video. Nothing too special today. I'll probably start another combine tomorrow or tonight. I'll probably buy another combine tonight or tomorrow. My goal is to buy one combine at a time and scale it in. So buy one combine, pass it, get to the funded stage, make money on the funded stage, use that money to invest in two more combines. Two more evals or combines, pass those to fund it, then invest in the last two. That's how I'm doing it. But that's it for the video. See you guys next time. Peace.